The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has received a lot of upgrades today, and the most of them are positive news. The design is really the focus of today's first post. Last week, I gave you leak press renders that were very similar to these renders from OnLeaks and SmartPre, and these renders must be accurate since that Samsung has taken my information down. Now, this isn't something we often see, but Samsung has been removing photographs from Twitter accounts, YouTube accounts, and other websites, giving us the idea that they are really real. Now that we know this, we can be sure that the Z Fold 5 will look just like this. We reported a tweet from Ice Universe last week, who said that although the new water drop type hinge had reduced the crease, it was only by 15% and that it still looked very similar to the Fold 4. This suggests that we may have some positive news about the display durability owing to the water drop form hinge. Since that time, his tweet has been removed, but Allies Universe often only removes tweets when they include inaccurate information, so ideally we are searching for a decent improvement for the crease of the Z Fold 5. The display is going to be better and brighter now, even though there is still a crease. It will also be more robust. Licaravanias tweeted that while the Flip will remain the same price, the Z Fold 5 will see a slight reduction compared to last year and it's expected to drop by up to $100, meaning the Z Fold 5 could be launching from $1,699. This is more good news about the price of the Z Fold 5, as we always expect a slight increase, but this may not be the case. Therefore, this is fantastic news for those who are considering buying it, and maybe this explains in part why the gadget has such a similar appearance to its predecessor because one of their main priorities may possibly have been cost-cutting. Now that the full specification list has been released by Yogeshbra on Twitter, it is a little disappointing to see how little has improved. According to Yogi's tweet, the phone has a 7.6-inch main display that runs at 120 Hz and a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus outer display. It also has 12 GB of RAM and up to a terabyte of storage, and it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.